In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a user account in Windows 11. Just remember that all files and data for that account will be removed, so back up anything important before you begin. To start, open Settings. You can do this by clicking the search bar and searching for Settings. Once Settings opens, look at the left sidebar and click on Accounts inside the Accounts menu. Scroll down until you find Other Users, then click on it. This section lists all additional user accounts that exist on your computer. You'll see the accounts displayed here. For example, in this case, there are two accounts named Subscribe and GHG. Before deleting any account, make sure you are signed in as an administrator because only an admin can remove user profiles. Next, click on the account you want to delete. In this example, the account being removed is GHG. After clicking on it, two options will appear: Account Options and Account and Data. Delete. The option we need is the one on the right, Delete. Click it. A confirmation window will pop up saying Delete Account and Data. This message explains that deleting this user will remove all their files, settings, and apps from the PC. If the user has documents you want to keep, make sure to back them up first. If you're sure you want to continue, click Delete Account and Data windows will now remove the entire user profile from your computer. Once the process is complete, the account will no longer appear in the Other Users list and all related data will be erased from the system. And that's all there is to it. You've deleted a local account safely in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more simple and clear Windows guides. Thanks for watching.